I love about the mountains out here is Mother Nature. We have the little devilish evil Mother Nature over here that's just snowing on us. And then we have Mother Nature over here. The sweet, peaceful, loving, kind Mother Nature. So we're praying to the gods on this next expedition that we get the right versus the left. This one can be awfully difficult to deal with at times, as we've seen in the last couple weeks. But then this Mother Nature's so sweet and happy. She'll let us do most anything in the outdoors. This one will teach us a lesson if she wants. Anyhow, day 20, winding down. Gonna have to get back to get the last preparations going. Have a great day from the new and old gym here in Summit County. Good day.